Now we're going to do the regular Surya Namaskar. Hi guys, I don't know what happened. We've done 2 parts of Yoga with Tara on Instagram and for some reason the lives just cut short. So now we're doing the 3rd part, which is going to be 3 normal Surya Namaskars followed by 5 variations. Let's get to it. Now, come to the front of your mat. Namaste Mudra. Breathe in on 1 and stretch back. Breathe out 2. Breathe in, right leg back and stretch up. Breathe out, heels on the ground. Feel the stretch in your calves. Hold your breath. Bum up, chin and chest on the ground. Breathe in. Breathe out, heels on the ground. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Namaste. Second part of the first Surya Namaskar. 1, 2, 3. Mountain. Heels on the ground. Feel the stretch in your calves. Hold your breath. Bums up, chin and chest on the ground. Breathe in. Out. In. Out. In. Namaste. So that was the first Surya Namaskar. As you know, in yoga, most things you balance out. So now we're going to do the second Surya Namaskar. 1. Breathe in. 2. 3. Mountain. Heels on the ground. Feel the stretch in your calves. Hold your breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. In. Out. In. Namaste. Second part of the second Surya Namaskar. 1, 2. Mountain. Hold. Breathe in. Mountain. Up. Backward. Prayer pose. And now the third Surya Namaskar. 1, 2, 3. Mountain. Hold your breath. Breathe in. Out. Excellent guys. I hope you're doing this with me. Heels on the ground. Feel the stretch in your calves. Left leg in front. Forward bending. Backward. Prayer pose. And the second part of the third Surya Namaskar. Or did we do that? I get sometimes I just go in the flow and I forget the counting. 1. My God, Tia has really farted badly. Poor Tia, I'm blaming her, but I don't know. Heels on the ground, feel the stretch in your calves. Hold your breath. Breathe in. Eyes off the ground. Excellent. Cobra. Mountain. Heels on the ground. Feel the stretch in your calves. Right leg in front. Forward bending. Backward. Breath. Superb, everyone. So that was 3 normal Surya Namaskars. Now everyone, please take a sip of water. I'm so sorry on Insta. I don't know why each live got cut. Like as if it was a time. I don't know if I put some wrong setting or something. I don't know. Sip of water, everyone. Now we're going to do 5 variations. Okay everyone, onto your mat. Now the first variation, we're going to do the half moon pose. So, Namaste Mudra everyone. Smile, it helps. 1, 2. Right leg back, right knee on the ground and stretch and hold. Half moon pose, excellent. Mountain. Right leg in front, left leg back and stretch. Excellent. Forward bending. Backward. Prayer pose. Super. Now we're going to do the second variation. The double angle pose. 1, 2. Right leg back. Do as much as you're comfortable to do. Clasp your hands behind your back and try and touch your forehead near your toe on your toe and hold. Excellent. Mountain. Right leg in front, clasp and down. Excellent. Forward bending, backward, level, super. Third Surya Namaskar variation, we are going to do the Z pose. Namaste Mudra. 1, 2. Right leg back. Mountain. Now pull your knees towards your forehead, suck your tongue in and hold. Moon pose. Striking cobra. Mountain. Now do a lovely froggy jump. Manduk. Excellent. Straighten. Back. Prayer pose. Fourth round, we're going to do Parivarti Veerasana 1, 2 and 3. Namaste Mudra. 1, 2. Right leg back. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our left hand and place it through your legs and clasp on the other side and hold. Parivarti Veerasana 1. Now Parivarti Veerasana 2, take your right hand outside your ankle and stretch back. And for Parivarti Veerasana 3, left hand around your knee and look up. Excellent. Mountain. Now you take your right leg in front, right hand through your legs and look up. Excellent. Left hand outside your little toe and stretch back. And right hand around your knee and look up. Excellent. Forward bending. Backward. Rear. Super. Now we're going to do the fifth variation, which is going to be a combination of a few, and then we'll do some breathing. Hi Kai, what are you doing? Just homeschool. So of course school is at home. And this is really taking some gadget for some class. What class? Kai? What class? Not a class now? Break.
Are you on your thing?
Yes, I am.
Oh.
Sorry guys. Yeah. Okay. So the last round for today's asana, for today's class. Forward bending. Right leg back. Now let's do Ardha Chandra Asana. So left hand down and raise your right leg. Look up at your right fingertips and hold. Now try and go into a T-shaped pose, bird pose. Use your lower back muscles to hold your leg up. If you stumble and fumble, don't worry. Try again like anything in life. Excellent. Forward bending. Crane pose. And now the other side. Right leg in front. Ardha Chandra Asana up. Look up at your left fingers. Left hand fingers, sorry. Excellent. Bird pose. Crane pose, mountain. Now we're going to do moon pose, striking cobra. And now stand on your knees. Stand on your knees and try and lie down in between your legs in a Sukta Vajrasana. Super. When your breath is back to normal, gently release. And let's get into a Halasana, where you throw your legs over your head and breathe normally. Let your chin touch your chest. get into a Savanasana. Excellent. Back to a Halasana. And gently release. And now, just let your breath come back to normal. Feel your abdomen rise and come back. Let's get into a half moon pose. Down. And once your breath is back to normal, let's just think of optimistic, happy things. We're all going to stay fine and safe forever, touch wood. The good parts of normal will resume. Our children will go back to physical school safely very soon, touch wood. And everything will stay fine, touch wood. Anyone who's suffering, we're sending loads and loads of positive healing energy. Just try and relax. Things are fine. If you've been through a tough time, be grateful that you're out of that. And just gently raise your right leg, drop it on the left, turn on your right, universal spinal twisting 1. And on the other side, raise your left leg, drop it on the left, turn on your right, excellent, universal spinal twisting 2. Superb. Up, down, turn on your left, and very gently sit up. I just want to bend in front once, just to balance it out. And now, sit in any comfortable asana. However much yoga I do, however flexible I feel I may be, I'm not able to do Padmasana. So sit in any comfortable asana, Vajrasana or just a simple cross-leg pose like this. Be comfortable, have a sip of water. And now, gently close your eyes and we're just going to do 30 Kapalbhati where we breathe out forcefully through our abdomen. If you feel, through our nostrils, if you feel dizzy or uncomfortable, please stop. Let your breath come back to normal. And when your breath is back to normal, we're going to take a deep breath in, and when we exhale, we're just going to say a loud ah sound. We're going to breathe in, just an ah. Breathe in, and when we exhale, we're going to say an O, just an O sound. So breathe in, everyone. Breathe in, and when we exhale, we're going to keep our lips together and just do a humming sound. So just a breathe in. Excellent. Gently rub your palms together. And when your palms are nice and warm, we're going to place our warm palms over our eyelids, and we're just going to gently bend down. Open your eyes behind your palms Thank you everyone. Thank you for joining Yoga with Tara. It's always a pleasure. I'm very sorry on Instagram it cut 3 times, so we have 3 parts. Sip of water everyone. And really lovely to have you all here. It's a pleasure. Saifu, thank you for joining. Thanks Vinay. Thanks Laura. Thanks everyone on Facebook. Komal says, मैम आपका फ़ोटोशूट मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. थैंक यू सो मच. या वो अभी पिक्चर्स फाइनल पिक्चर्स अभी आएंगे तो मैं शेयर करूँगी. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर काइंड वर्ड्स. It was after the photo shoot that there was a bit of a stressful week, but now touchwood things are fine. Touchwood, and I hope you all are too. Good morning Mamta, good morning Vicky. बहुत ब्यूटीफुल लग रही थी आप. वो रेड कलर आप पे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. थैंक यू सो मच मैम. आपने शूटेबल करवाया. आपने कोई ऐड किया है क्या? जी हाँ, मैंने काफ़ी एड्स किए हैं. थैंक यू. अभी हर्शीज़ और पहले पेप्सी और गार्नियर और काफ़ी सारे एड्स. बट मैं कोई बड़ा मॉडल या स्टार तो नहीं हूँ, बट थैंक यू फॉर दैट कोमल. And thank you guys so much for joining. Akash, good morning. Minha, good morning. Hi Dave. Thank you all so much for joining. Have a fabulous day the rest of the week. I'll see you for Saturday noon live with Tara. Thanks the Versatile Group for saying lovely work. Thanks Digital Marketing. Thanks Khushbu. Thanks Mr. Arman. Thanks Vyas. So lovely to have you all here. Chara, chara, chara. Bye guys. Bye.